22. Tú atacando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Fumando.
Hey guys, we will be giving away a Roblox gift card. If you like, subscribe and hit that bell button. And here's the things you can follow me on. Go ahead and check it out. Hello Star Family. Today we're going to be doing family night routine. So this is the family. We got Nova back. Nova, say hey to the family.
Hey.
Okay. Come on, y'all. It's 5 o'clock and we need to get some groceries, y'all. Come on. This is literally what we do for night routine, but usually we have groceries and stuff. But we don't have no groceries today. So come on over. Y'all, we do have a new dog to the family. His name is Shiloh, and he's very hyper, as you can see. Nova, get Shiloh. Okay, so we need some chocolate chips. I don't got no money. I don't got no money.
Looks like I'm paying for it.
Yeah, but every time you get it, like, it disappears.
No, it don't.
No, what you finna get?
I want to get
Right.
Okay, get some mixed fruit. Well, he's a very hyper dog. You see that? And don't have him in the street either. No, but look, wanna do a prank on your dad?
yeah.
Okay. Let's act like Shiloh ran away. Come on, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna like put Shiloh over here. Shiloh, come over here. Nova, stay right here and watch Shiloh, okay? Oh, he's coming. Nova, go tell him Shiloh ran away. Go. I'm gonna watch Shiloh. Go tell him. He's in the store. Where are you going? Nova, do you not know where the store is at? It's across the street. She's gonna go tell him that Shiloh ran away. Let's see. He's coming.
Why are you over here?
Huh?
Why are you over here?
What are you talking about? The dog ran away.
Nova said, yeah, Nova said dog ran. How are you let the dog wait?
Huh? Shiloh.
How did you let the dog?
Oh my god, I can't even hide him. We're just trying to prank you.
Come on.
Nova, what happened? Oh.
You know, that's why you don't come and Carmen Daddy. This is why you don't hang around stuff like
No. Nova, jump. Okay, guys, we made it back to the house. Come on over. Get Shiloh. Why is Shiloh in the corner? Shiloh, come on. Nova, go walk Shiloh.
Be careful out there.
No, I think he already went on his walk. Actually, come on over. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on with Shiloh. I said I don't know what's going on with Shiloh. I think he need to go to the vet. I think he got some rabies or something because he was chasing a rat in the street, and I think, yeah.
Chasing a rat in the street.
Yeah, he was chasing a rat in the street. Remember, Nova?
In the corner. He's in the corner.
Hold him by his leash and walk him.
Okay, well, you don't really know about dogs, bro. Come on over, let's go. Let's find a movie to watch. And she got school tomorrow. It's Sunday.
Yeah.
We finna watch a family movie.
I watch the news.
The news, no. Okay. How do I sit down? Oh, wait. Where's the food? Aren't you supposed to be cooking?
Wait, I thought
Aren't you supposed to be cooking? No, this is Women's History. This is Women's History Month, okay? Women needs a break this month, so men do all the work. Come on, Nova, take a seat.
I'm gonna burn down the house.
Nova, take a seat, Nova. What does he think this is?
I'm gonna go complain when I cook.
Look at Shiloh. Girl, I don't think we need a dog. Shiloh is just all over the place.
Shiloh does too much.
I know. Why is he on the counter? What are you making? What is he making?
Huh? Don't worry about it.
Oh, you know what? You're right. It's Women's History Month. I should not worry about nothing. Come on, Nova. Come on, Nova. Nova, let's chill outside, Nova. Let him do all the work. Where is Nova? I don't think she wanna go outside. I'm gonna go find her. I hear her singing. Nova! Nova! Hello?
Alright, yeah. Watch me cook. Watch
Come
me
on.
Cook. Watch me cook.
Oh,
Come on.
That's why my fans like watching me cook.
Your fans don't like you.
Oh, okay. My fans don't like me. That's why I'm cooking better than you.
Come on over. Yeah, ever since we moved into this house, we have not gotten into this pool. Nova, try this pool out since you got your shallows in the pool. Oh my god, good thing he knows how to swim.
You don't though.
I do.
I'm sure he does.
Stay in the kitchen.
I'm coming what?
Nova, are you in the pool or not?
Oh, yeah.
I'm the best.
I don't get why he's dissing us. Like, he's always so negative.
You said what?
I love this one.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for my food. I'm not gonna lie. We didn't even get to play no family games.
You play too.
We should play hide and seek. You guys want to play hide and seek?
Yeah, we can play hide and seek.
Okay. We're looking over. Let me close this door. Yeah, I have to put Shiloh in the cage because he's all over the place. Nova? Oh, what the heck? Where is she? Nova.
Alright, come here, y'all.
Where is she?
She's down here with me.
Oh. Nova, you wanna play hide and seek after dinner?
Yeah.
Go eat. The mashed potatoes, just like the
Nova, he's our maid for Women's History Month.
Yeah, I better like this food. I don't like it. I don't know what to tell ya.
We don't have to do anything. We don't have to pick up a spoon. We don't have to pick up anything. He gotta do it all for us.
So, boom. We got mashed potatoes.
That's how they made it.
Wait, just
That pizza.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wait, how do you? I can't even eat it.
This one is so good.
Oh, there we go. Are you gonna eat? Are you going to eat? Is he going to eat?
Let me see.
Stop smacking. Are you gonna eat?
Maybe later.
Okay, well, I guess you can be the counter while me and Nova go hide.
Oh, no, you gonna count and me and Nova gonna go hide.
Okay.
Matter of fact, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, or here, yeah.
Just go hide.
Okay.
Come on, Nova, let's go hide. Nova, mute your mic so that he won't know where you're at. Why are you following me here? This is a good spot, guys. Oh my god. I'm hiding, and I don't think he's gonna find me here. I don't think he's gonna find me. Shh.
Where y'all at?
You guys like, subscribe, hit that bell button.
I hear you. Where are they?
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
You found me? Wait, did you find Nova? Huh? Bro, he found me. Did you find Nova?
Oh, found Nova.
Nova, you was found. Okay, I'm sleepy.
Is it Nova?
I think so.
Oh my
she's
god.
stuck. Nova, sit down on the chair or something. Oh, she's stuck.
I know what to do.
Oh, she knows what to do. Okay. Well, it's time for bed. Nova, go to bed. You got school in the morning.
Wait, no. You got found first. You go count. Outside.
No, it's time for school in the morning. She has school in the morning.
It's not even that late. It's only like 8 o'clock.
Nova, go lay down.
No, but you ain't gotta lay down. It's okay.
Oh my god, here we go. Nova, go lay down.
Our bedtime's at 11 o'clock.
Nova, go lay down. Here's your room.
No, but didn't brush her teeth or anything.
Okay, she could go brush her teeth. Nova, go brush your teeth.
What?
Because he always want to argue with me. Always. It's like never my way.
Always.
That's why he not coming here. That's why he sleep on the couch. That's why he sleep on the couch. No, get out. Get out. No, you sleep on the couch. Get out. Get out. No, get out. You think you run things. Get out. Get out the room. Get out the room. Get out.
Can you please be
Get out.
quiet?
Get out.
Brush your teeth.
Get out. No, you go brush your teeth. You're brushing like dog.
No, it smell like the dog that you just bought.
Don't talk about Shiloh like that. Shiloh breath smell better than yours. Hello? His hair and fur is cleaner than yours.
Oh, that's That's a stray dog.
It's not a stray dog.
Stray dog in the alley. Tell
It's
the truth.
fresh from the dog pound. What are you talking about?
Yeah, look the right side of the bed.
Okay, I'm leaving him in here. I don't care. He can stay in here. I'll go sleep in the guest room. If I don't even care. Like, it's not that hard. Mind you, y'all, I'm pregnant with his baby, and he has me sleeping here. It's okay. Wait, how do you close it? Like, what? Screw him. I gotta sleep on the couch now. No, this is crazy. Like, well, you guys, I guess I have to go to sleep and whatever. But if you guys want a family morning routine, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button because there's gonna be more. And comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, because clearly he wasn't my favorite part of the video. Just always starting with people and arguing with people, like, ugh.